We are open for business here. Let's have a great day today, traders. Could buy over 76 this morning on the very first candle. Also CRM this morning. Wouldn't mind taking a CRM trade down here as it starts to roll lower. Yeah, let's just be cautious with CVS here. NVDA down this morning. NASDAQ opening up 113 points higher. Dow down 284. It'd be nice to see the Dow kind of change directions here this morning. Okay, let's watch CVS. Wow, look at that Sanmina just getting clobbered here this morning, DVG. All right, Boeing getting smacked. Now remember the Boeing info this morning. They beat on earnings. So again, not sure why Boeing's getting thrashed this morning, but that's not for us to decide, right?
First traded in Microsoft. Didn't have a chance to post, but we're in at 474.79.
Yeah, I missed the CVS trade. Yep, was not paying attention here.
I'm going to add to the trade here. It was a small nibble to start, and then we took off on this Microsoft trade because earnings are coming around the corner here.
Yeah, going to be a big week of earnings this week.
Oh, no doubt. Yeah, it's a little surprised to your point about BA, but UNH I'm going to probably short here in a moment. In fact, let's do it. That is a terrible fill. Absolutely terrible. 292.32 UNH. That might hurt me here in a minute. Guys, look at Microsoft. I'm going to add even more. This is crazy. 2 days in a row. Made some money off that stock. Amazon, I'll watch in this area. Maybe not take it just yet. There we go, UNH.
Nice move below the lows, UNH.
Yeah. I hit a market fill and it just tanked. And thought it was a bad fill, but this might actually work out. We'll see. Problem is this thing, as you know, could bounce pretty quick. AVGO, I'm liking it here at this 200 EMA. Let's see, maybe long at 329 area. I'll wait. I'm watching.
I guess it's the healthcare stocks dragging the Dow down today.
Oh yeah, yeah. That was Warren Buffett, UNH, man. This is a terrible pullback, Softy. What are you doing?
Okay, still keeping an eye on Boeing this morning, BA.
Watching
245 is going to be my entry on BA. 245 entry BA.
Well, big break now, guys.
And I'm going to come into CVS here if it gets below or gets to 74. We'll see here. And if Boeing flushes, I'll be bottom feeding. Let's put it that way.
UNH, let's add. Adding UNH here. Kind of nervous on it, but that's okay.
Other than that, Boeing's going to be long at 245 with a 248 target. NVIDIA, yeah, NVIDIA looks good here, 186.60.
Okay, I'm going to take a partial on Microsoft here in a moment. I like this push, but I'm seeing the Qs roll over a bit here.
CRWV up another $6 today.
Oh, you know what? That's the one I wanted to trade today, to be honest. I forgot about that one, Scott.
I'm going to put it up here.
In fact, let me pull that up as well. Only trouble is the Qs are rolling over right now.
Yeah, it looks good at 105. I'm going to get this on the charts here. CRWV.
The Qs are rolling over though pretty good. 32776 is a level I see as an area we should bounce. So let's see what we do down at that area.
All right, let's see, CRWV.
Guys, UNH is absolutely crushing it right now.
Yeah, 105.
I'm going to take a partial here at 287 break. Let's see. There we go. That looks good. 286 print. Yes, 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 yes. A little more. A little more.
I'm going to post at 105 here at CRWV.
Getting ready to take a partial on UNH, guys, and Microsoft.
Okay, traders, I am long Boeing at 245. I got in a little bit late here, so I'm not in exactly at 245. 248 is going to be my target on Boeing. Yeah, CRWV looking good. Again, 105 for me. Watch Boeing as well.
CRWV, I like this trade, Scott. 103.75 is what I'm going to put out there.
Actually, okay, I'm going to come in with you here at a little bit early here, and then I can add over the top.
Okay, I'm moving it down here, 103.50. Okay, even better, dropping it to 103.
Yeah, I'm going to come in at 103 with DVG here, and it's going to be a small share size trade until we break out.
Same, 100%. A nibble. Let me post here, 103. CRWV.
I'm long the stop. Stop loss for me will be anything under 101. Let's see what this is here.
UNH, guys, crushing it. I thought I got a crap fill, but look at this thing. I'm up 8 points on this thing.
101.80.
Guys, Qs are rolling over. Be careful. If we get back through 103 on CRWB, I may hit it again.
Again, watch the 101.80.
UNH, I'm taking a little more here. A little more.
NVIDIA getting beat up.
450. Let's go, baby.
Hey, we'll also watch CRM here this morning as it starts to come down.
Let's see. We've got, who else has reported? Meta reports this week. Tesla reports this week. What? Let me see. Microsoft tomorrow. Guys, let's add the CRWV here. Let's do it. No. Let's get some confirmation over 103.
Yeah, come on. CRWV, I think we got a bargain on it. Let's hope so.
CRWV, let's hit it right here. Full share size, guys. One-way street. Let's do one-way traffic straight up. CRM tanking, man.
I'm going to pick up some CRM at 232 here, traders. I'm going to go long CRM, small share size at 232 CRM. Let's go CRWV. Come on.
CRWV, baby. Time to go.
104, a tick over 104. I'll add to this trade. Go full share size.
Yeah, well, I beat you to the punch a little on the full share size. I'm in it now, but now I'm concerned about. I'll probably give it a point. So like,
hey, if it takes this top off though, it's gonna run. We can see 106.
I think so too. Yeah.
Kind of like yesterday's move.
Obviously, the news of NVIDIA, Anik gets an upgrade today. Come on, it's like positive Momo. Man, CRM getting dumped on. Let's see what am I at? I'm gonna put a 4-point stop trailing on UNH.
Okay, and here I am. I'm going to take this take CRM nibble here at 230. Okay.
You're going for it?
Yep.
Love
I'm gonna go for it here long. CRM long 230.
Microsoft, I'm gonna probably take. You know what? I'll just
gonna go 200 shares here to start, and we'll see if we can't make a trade out of this here. It's got to get back up though. We'll see.
I'll wait on Softy here. I'll put. Let me get a bounce here. If I get a bounce here, I'll put my stop at 47523. Guys, UNH is just unbelievable. I'm gonna tighten it actually. Let me drop it to a 3-point trailing. Just because I'm seeing the Qs bounce now pretty aggressively to the upside. Nice move on Softy. All right, I'm gonna put my stop down at 476 on Microsoft. See what we can do here. CRWV, baby. Here comes the breakout. Vamonos.
Go.
Yes. Let's, I'm going to double up. Adding more. Let's do another half share size. I'll add.
On full share size up to 106 traders on CRWV. Looking great.
Yes, please. There's the breakout. Wow. CRWV. Scott, thanks for reminding me on that one, dude.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Here we go. Come on, 106.
Very
Let's
nice.
go. There's 105 on the bid. Yeah, I am long. Yes, I am long the CRM trade. Yep. And we'll lighten the load here. We'll lighten the load here on CRWV at the 106.
All right, UNH, I'm going to close here. LRCX, I like it, by the way. Dylan, good call out, my friend. Another sympathy play there. AVGO, I missed out on, but that's okay. Keeping an eye on AVGO as well right now.
I'm going to add at 231, go full share size CRM.
Wow. CRWV and Microsoft crushing it, guys. I think AVGO is going to be my next trade likely. I'll wait, though. I'm watching it around this 329 area. It's not really getting any love at the moment, but I'm 50-50 on it. Like, NVIDIA's aiming lower. Let me pull up SanDisk real quick. I'm going to do a nothing. MU, nothing. I actually might short MU. I like it here for a short. Shoot. 404.30. I'll put it out there. Ta-da! Little baby size share on MU to the downside. only because it can be super spready and, well, you guys know the story with them, you know.
Come on, 106. Could make my morning. Just 2 trades here now. We've got CRM and CRWV. CRWV hits that 106. That'll take care of any mistake on CRM. Not getting that launch for the NASDAQ really, but it really doesn't matter as long as we're on the right stock. You can see the CRWV right above the VWAP here, looking good. Climbing, decent volume.
Yeah, I want to see it take the top off of yesterday. What was that, 108?
Sweet.
108 or bust on CRWV.
That's a tall order. As that
I
stock was
know.
up, what, 16 yesterday?
Yeah. Yeah, Michael BS on him. Yeah, baby size. I love that you remember that, Michael. Yeah. Baby shares.
Yeah, we're in the green a little bit on CRM. As long as it doesn't fail and take out the 228.50, I'm going to stick into this trade here on CRM.
All right, guys, I'm taking my final partial on Microsoft. UNH done. Beautiful trade, UNH. And if it drops more, great. I could probably get back in there later, but I'm waiting to take a partial on CRWV so I can bank my profit for the day. And as you say, like a thief in the night.
Yep, and do not return.
You know, I got to say, in my career of trading, you know how many times, I'm curious in your perspective, how many times have you either A, sat at the terminal too long, or B, like you banked your profit, then came back and then lost it?
Yeah, I mean, I think early on,
Same, yeah.
early on, yes, a lot more because you get the feeling of, hey, listen, if I hit a home run my first trip to the plate, then I can certainly hit home runs all day long. So that gets you in trouble. And I think the thing that helped me out was I remember Amir telling, you know how Amir always says, let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. Well, that's true. But sometimes I'll just say, you know what, I'm taking my profits here. And I think the thing that really does it for me that I could pass along to everybody is remember the long game, okay? You're in this thing to make money every day, right? And if you make money, whether it's $50 on one trade or $100 on 2 trades, just close shop. You know, we'll be here, God willing, we'll be here tomorrow, and the market will be open tomorrow. So, you know, wait for the next day. You know, string together profitable days, and profitable days go into profitable weeks, and profitable weeks make profitable months, and profitable months make profitable years, and then you're on your way.
Oh, CRWV gross.
Yeah. So you've got to, you know, you've got to be the money-making machine that you are, and you can't come back and say, hey, listen, this stock treated me great one time, let's do it again. Well, you know, there's no guarantees, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, it's a learning process, right?
I agree. I'm watching CRWV, guys. I might pull some off here. This is a terrible roll.
I mean, don't forget $1,000 a day, right? Is 200 grand a year trading 10 months out of the year.
Yeah.
Why 10 months, Scott? There's 12. Well, I don't know about you. I don't feel like working every day and every month.
I still remember the saying of trading is the hardest, easiest money you'll ever make.
Mm-hmm. That's true.
I think a lot of a person's personality comes out when you trade, in a lot of different ways. Like the psyche associated to trading is a very interesting one.
Yeah. And people liken it. You've heard it 1,000 times before. It's like, you know, you could be a good poker player, right? And it's really about managing money, managing, you know, the situation that you're in, so to speak. Okay, let's see here.
Flip AVGO here again. $228 maybe.
Listen, if I get stopped out of CRWV, I'm gonna punch a hole through my screen here. Yeah.
Jeez.
There's no reason to be.
AVGO guys, 329. Let's do it long.
Come on, CRM. 231. I'm going full share size on CRM. Entry is 230.
We're in AVGO. Let's go.
You know, Scott V. You know, DVG. I don't know how long I've had this rig for. I've had the rig for a long time because I remember getting this same computer when I first started with Mayor. I mean, it's got to be, this thing has got to be 15 years old. I bet the actual computer, it's a shoebox, right? It's made by Shuttle. I just bought the box and then did it. But the computer's fine, right? SSD drive. You don't need anything. Direct connect to the cable to the what do I have here? I've got the FiOS. Anyway, point of it is the monitors, right? I spent up and got BenQs at the get-go here, and I got to tell you, they're old, and I had to replace one. But I went cheap on this other one, which has proved to be the best that I've had. I've got a Sansui, which I think was $80 on Amazon, and it's brighter and nicer than the BenQs. All 24s. Yep, 424-inch. Full share size CRM. Now, if we get to 232, I'll take some off because I got massive share size now on CRM. Come on, CRWV, you jerk. Come on.
Yeah, I know. What's up with this, man?
Below the VWAP, not looking good.
Meanwhile, Qs are pushing.
Yeah. Yeah, up 151 now. Okay.
AVGO now pulling back just below my entry. Playing some games with us today, it feels like. Still have the same stop on the rest of the Microsoft shares at 476, sorry. Are we going to roll here? That's a nice recovery on the Qs. Very nice recovery. Decision time.
232 target now on CRM. Little declining volume. MU bull flag, yeah. I like that 408, Farah, on MU.
Okay. AVGO looking good. CRWV still hanging in there. Just got a big push now on the Qs. Big push. All-time high for the Qs is at 637.01. We haven't been up there in a long time. Maybe this is the week with all the big tech earnings. Breakout now on the Qs. Let's add to AVGO here. I'm going to move up my stop on Softy up to 477. Wow, wow, wow. What a push here on the Qs, guys. Look at this go. Meanwhile, CRWV, what are you doing? AVGO, I'm still waiting for the push over
Yeah.
330.
Let's not cuss CRWV yet because hopefully we're just at that VWAP line. We push over it a little bit and maybe we'll come out early here with some profit. We'll see. Kind of stuck in that and CRM right now.
You ready for some catfishing? I might go buy some UNH right now.
Yeah.
285.
Yeah, right down here at the bottom. So 285 to what, 350 something yesterday is what, 65 points in a day. I mean, that's
I think
really
I might nibble
ugly.
here. Where's Michael at? Maybe a BS. Let's do a BS UNH. All right, I'll do a market fill. Let's see where I get. 285.80. All right, it's baby share size. Just for giggles, we took it short earlier. Let's see what happens. And CRWV, it's 108 now. I want my revenge. That'll be my target, 108. I mean, guys, look at the Qs. I mean, just straight up. I think people just had enough. They're like, you know what? This is the week. It's either going to happen or it's not. But we're gonna full court press. Same thing with the SPY. SPY is literally what, all-time high today? Is that right? No, just shy. 696.09 is the all-time high. We hit 695.48 as of right now.
Look at NVIDIA and look at CRWV. Go. And my CRM is going. Why would CRM go in the opposite direction here? We're just starting to launch. Let's go. Come on, 106, CRWV. Microsoft just took the top off again. Sweet. Here comes MU.
Yeah, I got my stop on Softy moved up to 477. So if I get stopped out of the last bit of shares here, I don't mind.
Wow, NVIDIA, go, baby.
Is it ripping?
Great. Yeah.
Nice. Maybe Joe's looking great, guys. As soon as we got over 330, it's going. I'm going to take a partial on it, probably up at 334 would be my target, but let's see how it behaves up here. Yeah, guys, we're going to get another leg up here, I think, on the Qs and the SPY, especially the Qs. I mean, they are really bullish. What's Tesla doing? What's Meta doing? Ew, Tesla gross chart. Meta, same chart, gross. Up though, at least. What about Apple? Here's the real question. Should I short Apple right before earnings? Scott, what does that mean? I guess everybody's going to start buying it.
Yeah, I don't exactly.
DVG wants to short Apple. Everybody go long.
Yeah. It's a gamble, right?
Okay. Seeing a little bit of selling here at the top.
Still in CRM here.
Sellers stepping in, guys, here at the peak. I'm actually pulling up the NASDAQ futures right now and looking at the volume up at this level here at 26060. Saw a lot of sellers just step in right now. If they get run over, these markets should absolutely explode to the upside. Should and would. Cue the disclaimer.
Go CRWV. We're gonna get this 106.
I'm with you on that, dude. I'm telling you, I want 108. I want 108 for my first partial. After doing that little zigzag in the morning here, where I was like, we were having a little chat and the thing dumped 2 points on us out of nowhere.
Let's get the 106 first. Well, we got to get it to get to 108, right?
Absolutely.
So
AVGO guys looking good. 332 may take a partial here. Anybody take AVGO, by the way? It's a nice trade here. Couple points.
228.50 will be my stop on CRM.
Seth, exactly. You're talking about Apple. I just saw your note there. By the way, for those of you guys who don't know, I'm sure everybody here does, but I've got a horrible track record of shorting Apple. Almost like a glutton for punishment. There's no stop right now on the Qs. It's just moving higher.
And NVDA powering higher.
CRWB. Wow, I like this order block. It's floating around. Hit the bid, would you? Get us to 106. CRWV in 3, 2, 1, liftoff. Vamonos. Exactly. Was that you, Clifton? The sound effects. Farah's looking at Oracle short. Interesting. Let me pull it up. Yeah, I could see that. Only trouble is down here at like this 170, like 172 to 174, kind of a bounce zone area. And right now, because tech's pushing higher, obviously definitely Oracle's weaker. The only concern I would have is if it starts tagging those areas that you find huge buyers and it lifts like 4 points. So be careful of that on Oracle. Cue the disclaimer, it's your money, do what you want with it, but that's what I'd be looking out for. Definitely weaker than all the other names in the space. I'm gonna have to take some off CRWV, guys. Just I'll still keep full share size, but I went basically have 2.5 right now, so I'm a little bit heavy on this. Let me take off. I'll take off 1K. We'll leave 1,500. Okay, there we go. I'm better now.
I'm still hanging in there with CRM, still hanging in there with CRWV. Both trades on.
Oh, United. We got ran over on MU. I wasn't even watching it. Still waiting on AVGO and UNH. These are like smaller positions, so I'm not really I'm not paying as close of attention to them right now. Maybe that's the secret too. Like some of these smaller positions that I have on, I just don't really pay as much attention to them. Hmm. 1,000. Christian, answer your question. Usually, unless it's like a really expensive stock, my full share size might be, 500 shares. Just depends.
Come on, CRM, I need you to rip. Kind of stalled up here at the top. I know MU's peeling back a little bit. Same thing with AVGO. Microsoft's still up there. We're going to find out what you're made of right now.
Let's see.
43 degrees right now in St. Petersburg, Florida. I know you guys have got me beat, but
You guys, that's freezing.
yeah, on our way up to 55 today for the high.
Yeah, when you hit the negative temps, that's when I'm like, oof, that's brutal.
Yeah. No, but I mean, it's just a temperature-wise, things like this. It's we're in Florida, so it's different, but it's still an unmotivating day, right? Like when it's so cold outside, not like it's so cold out here, but I mean, still down here, it's all relative, right? But when it's negative degrees somewhere, you don't feel like working, you don't feel like doing anything but having, like chili or hot chocolate.
I was just gonna say, give me a cup of tea.
Yeah.
And a terminal.
Keep busy for a long time, right?
These markets are absolutely resilient. It's unbelievable. I think I'm going to add to this little nibble on UNH. Why not? It's a small size. Right? Small add here on UNH. Wow, guys, look at this push. Just an absolute bull party on CRWV. We got the push over 106. Boom.
Okay, now we're on our way here now. I'm going to take some off right here at the 106.60. Oh, I just missed it. Hold on, hold on.
108's coming.
I'm with you. I'm with you. Okay, I'll play the game here for a little bit, but any pullback 106.50, I'm out.
So here's a perfect example. I could be kicking myself for trimming on CRWV, but here's the reality. That pullback to 2-3 points was terrifying when you're holding,
Yeah.
2x share size. So by me taking some off, did I miss out on this, an extra $1,000?
I'm out.
Sure, but I'm not going to cry about it.
I only took half off, so DVG got in my ear, so I'll hold. We'll see if we can get the 108. Let me go back and put this to extended hours so you can see. We're clear up to 108. In fact, it's probably, what is that, DVG? 108 yesterday, 108.65, I think.
Oh, from yesterday?
Yeah, that spike high.
Yeah,
like third candle in.
Yeah, 108. Let me grab it. 65. Yep, 108.65.
So, okay, so I took half off, and I'm going to probably, as we touch 108, I'll probably take another quarter off, and then we'll go from there.
I will take another, I don't know, we'll leave 500 shares once we get it up 108. At 108, I'm going to sell another 1,000.
And then, now's the time, if you haven't already, go to your daily, take a look at the daily, and look what 108 means. It means absolutely nothing. I mean, this thing could be 120 on 120, 140 on a rip here, right? So now here's a good question. So 10 degrees in Lynchburg, Virginia. Wow. Stay inside, Scott, right? Now, aren't you, listen, if I don't know if you, do you have a green day today, Scott V? Okay, so you're sitting. I'm just thinking out loud here. You're sitting in your office, looking out. It's 10 degrees outside. You probably got your dog with you, and you're like, you know what? I'm, I'm trading and I'm making money. How, I don't care about it being 10 degrees outside. What a life. Oh yeah. Now, I was going to say CRWV might be a stock that you would consider. This is why I would say this. You consider swing trading because it's been on such a roll. It's, let me go back here. It's got more to go, right? And you look at the daily and it's got tons of room to the upside. Yeah, I need CRM to take off now. This would be a blessing if we got this thing.
End up taking a partial, Scott.
I did. I took half. And we'll see. I mean, I was telling the team, I said it would be a stock that you would consider swing trading. You know, we looked at the daily. You know, you're in the middle. You're in the start of earnings. I mean, it could go really wrong, but
You know what? I might do. I might leave. It depends. If we get to 108, I could leave 100 on a swing. That'd be kind of a fun trade to hang on to. Maybe 50. Let's face it.
mhm.
I don't like a ton
Okay.
of risk like that. Let's see what we got here. Got stopped out of our Microsoft position. Totally fine by me. UNH looking good now. 286. Hopefully I don't kick myself for not taking more off CRWV here. What's my AVGO position going? Yikes. Okay, waiting on AVGO. Take some money there. Out of Microsoft, I'll move that away.
Don't do it to me, CRM. I need one more push this morning, and that's it for me. Let's go.
I'm with you. Might be an early day for me. It's amazing trades today. UNH, CRWV, Microsoft. Couple losers. MU stopped out. But UNH looking great now. Look at this. Wouldn't say it's a massive position, but we start getting up to 300 bucks, it would be. Whoa, UNH, yeah, baby. Let's go. Hit 288 just now. There we go, CRWV. Finally, you can make me. I'm just like freaking out over here that we pulled back again. What do you guys think? Are we going to get 108?
I think we definitely can. I mean, we spiked up that way. So I'm about to come out of the CRM deal as well.
Well, I think that's it for me. I'm going to leave these positions, let them run. CRWV, if we probably get up to 107, I really want 108. I will take a partial there. Just trim it up. UNH looking good. I'll let that play out. ABGO, we'll see. It's just kind of hovering right now. I don't really see anything else I want to take, though, to be honest. I might even add to UNH over 289. In fact, I'll put that ad out there. Target will be 292.40. I really don't like this movement on CRWV. It needs to step higher. If we step lower right now, no bueno. Because I got an ad sitting at 289. Let's move it down. I like it there. 289.15 is an ad I have sitting out there for UNH. Hopefully we get filled and we push higher. Moving my target up to 294 now. 293.60. 293.60. And I might have to leave that there just for the day to play out. Set it and forget it.
Right. Well, I'm just stuck in this CRM trade. I'm still holding on to it here. Got a little profit made on CRWV. Would like to make a lot of money on it.
Getting a little bit of a roll here at the top on the Qs. Seeing a little bit of softness here at the top on the cues. See if we can get a push here. I might get my ad on UNH. That'd be crazy. Well, that's gonna do it for me, Scott. I'm gonna do an early exit today, but I've got my positions on it overall. It's kind of what we talked about, like CRWV. I may take an early partial and just manage it, but nice green day for me. No complaints. Yeah, you got it, Vincent. Were you able to get any of the trades I took today, Vincent? Curious. Right on. Good,
Okay,
good.
bounce now on CRM.
Yeah, Scott, I'm gonna take an early exit today. I mean, I've got my positions on that I'm holding to. I might get an ad here on the UNH position, hold Navy GO for now. And CRWV, I may just take an early partial just so I can manage it from afar and not have to worry about it. But put on some socks, put on some tea, watch the latest in markets, and maybe even hop on a little later this afternoon. Let's be mindful of earnings coming up with names like Microsoft, Meta, Apple, Tesla. So some names to consider this week as we get that news. I'll see you tomorrow at the Open, Scott.
Yep, take care, DVG.
Cheers. God bless.
I'm still hopeful here. We get a bounce in CRM and we start to get moving here on the day. Now we're in it at 230 on CRM. Look at NVDA now taking the top off. Trading view, no, I do not. AVGO about ready to break out at the top as well. Still have half size on the CRWV trade, which could really help my day. CRM just absolutely doing zero now. You need some help on that one, I know. Yeah, CoreWeave now with zero volume, so we're stuck. Come on. Little bump on CRWV. Boeing getting trashed. Take a look at the daily on Boeing here. That's unfortunately either going to bounce right here at the 240 or we're going to see that 230 area. Yeah, we'll see here. I mean, I'm close to coming out of the CRM trade, but I'm holding on to it just in case we have a turn. It's just at a standstill now. CRWV, on the other hand, has a real chance, I believe. It's not going to take much for either one of them to go. Let's take a look, Farah, at Microsoft. Put where BA is here. Oh yeah, right here. Yeah, the break of the 478, 50, 478.72. And then 479 you could add for sure, yep. I think our goose is cooked on CRM. Yep. Only chance now is on CRWV. Okay, traders, I'm not going to sit here and babysit the trade. I'm going to take off. I'll check back in with everybody this afternoon, maybe in just a little bit here as we see CRM and or CRWV start to take off here. I'll come back in, announce my out, and then wrap things up. So we'll see you back in a little bit. Thank you, Clifton, and the rest of the team for contributing today. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much on everybody on YouTube today. Also, really appreciate it. Clifton, we'll see you in the morning or later on today. Traders, have a great one. God bless you all. Godspeed, and we'll talk to you then. Bye-bye.